So hello and welcome to this short Adobe Animate tutorial, and right now I will show you what we are going to be doing today. So basically I already created a long version of this tutorial and I'm going to provide the link in the description, but in this one I'm going to show you only the animation. And I basically downloaded this file from the freepik and I adjusted in the Illustrator, and I'm going to provide you that file. So right now I will go to the Adobe Animate. I already created canvas which is 300 by 600, you can see it in here, and I'm going to basically go in here and I'm going to put my Illustrator file in here like so, and just make sure that everything is checked. This is fine as it is, and I'm just going to click import, and maybe I am going to get rid of this Valentine's Day, so I'm going to just basically stay only with this heart like so, but you can do this with any shape. And what I'm going to do is I am going to convert this heart to the symbol, so I will go to the modify, convert to symbol like so, and I am going to call this symbol 1, it's fine. And what I want to do is I will go ahead maybe to frame 15 or 20 or maybe in between, and I'm going to click F6 or F6 or right click and insert keyframe, and in the first keyframe I'm going to with Q or free transform tool in here make this small like so, and in this I am going to make this maybe a little bit bigger like this, and I'm going to right click create classic twin. So we are going to have this kind of animation. I'm going to choose that I want to have easing, so easy in out. This will make the animation to go at the beginning slowly, then it will accelerate, and at the end it will be slow again. So I will double click on this first option. Other options are the same thing but the stronger one like so. So I'm going to do something like this, and we are going to have an animation like so. And now what I'm going to do is I want to go maybe in here like so, create new keyframe F6, and go to the last keyframe, click on the heart, and I'm going to choose that my alpha is going to be 0. So basically we are going to have this scale animation like so, and up till this keyframe the opacity is going to be 100%, and then it is going to disappear like this. And right now what we can do is we can go ahead and duplicate this layer, so duplicate layer like so, and we can go ahead and click with shift like so to select everything, and we can position it like this. And we are going to have the duplication. And right now if you want to move this heart to the different location, you need to click on this edit multiple keyframes. It is going to give you an option to create a range, so I'm going to create a range which cover all of my keyframes, so it is like so, and I'm going to click in here, and I'm going to maybe position this like so, and then I'm going to unclick this like this, and right now we are going to have it like so and like so. And I can go ahead right now and duplicate both of them, so I'm going to choose duplicate layers, and I'm going to position them. I'm going to click on this keyframe with shift on this keyframe, and I'm going to position it maybe like so. And now what I can do, if I have something like this, I can get rid of this. I can right click and choose remove frames or shift F5, but it's not necessary because the heart is going to disappear anyway. But I can go one more time with this, with edit multiple keyframes. So I will click on edit multiple keyframes. I'm going to make the range like so. I will click on this one, and maybe I'm going to position it in here, and I'm going to click on this one, and maybe I'm going to position it in here like so. And right now I'm going to unclick this edit multiple keyframes, and we are going to have an animation like so, and like so. I'm going to hit Ctrl Enter, and this is how this is going to be looking in the browser. And by default it is going to be looping forever. So yeah, basically this is it. This was only a very quick tutorial for something like this. If you want to watch the longer version of this tutorial, I'm going to provide the link in the description. So if you like this video, hit a like, maybe consider to subscribe, and maybe I will see you in some other tutorial. Take care, goodbye.